Hello, and welcome to My Money Grows, where we discuss all things finance. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that has been gaining popularity in recent years. Here are 4 ways to make money with cryptocurrency. Number 1. Trading. Trading is one of the most popular ways to make money with cryptocurrency. Just like the stock market, you can buy and sell cryptocurrency on exchanges. Number 2. Mining. Mining is another way to make money with cryptocurrency. Mining involves using your computer's processing power to solve complex mathematical equations. Number 3. Staking. Staking is a way to earn passive income with cryptocurrency. Staking involves holding a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a wallet and earning a reward for helping to secure the network. Number 4. Initial coin offerings. Initial coin offerings, or ICOs, are a way to invest in new cryptocurrency projects. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.